I'm with Inge from Wastefront at the Recovered Carbon Black conference in Barcelona. Hello, Inge.
Hello.
Great to see you again. You have great news. You're now into SAF, you got investment, you're building the Sunderland plant. Where are you now? What are the news from Wastefront?
It's all coming together, Martin. We're doing everything at the same time. Now of course, it's been a long journey, but we're coming there. So we're getting there, Martin, finally.
Excellent, excellent. What do you think of the conference? Do you like it so far?
Yes, it's very interesting. Of course, I think everybody in this industry understands that it's challenging times. But I think the industry is now maturing. There's some of the players that are coming out as the leaders, I think. And yeah, that's what my take from the conference so far.
And you're part of them, right?
We are actually. we are the leaders, at least in one part of it, and that's the oil.
Congratulations and have a good conference.
Thank you.